Automated warfare is how AI is taking control of defense. Artificial intelligence is transforming defense, not just armed drones, it's changing everything. Command chains, decisions, logistics, cyberattacks, and it does so faster than any human. Stay with me until the end, because this isn't future speculation, it's happening now without rules or limits. The turning point came with the war in Ukraine. Ukrainian forces deployed a system called Delta, a software that collects data from multiple sources and suggests targets, satellite images, intercepts, coordinates, all in real time. But who makes the final decisions, the commander or the machine? Since 2023, new military systems have been designed to analyze scenarios and recommend actions in seconds. But if they make a mistake, who's accountable? At least 30 countries are now developing autonomous war technologies, yet none have signed binding agreements to limit them. There is no treaty requiring human oversight or banning autonomous weapons. Existing conventions are outdated. They don't cover situations where an algorithm or an AI decides who should die. Talking about ethics in defense doesn't just mean killer robots. The real issue is automated decision-making. When AI gives the order, human judgment shrinks. If the command comes from a so-called intelligent system, who has the courage to stop it? And what needs to happen? Well, demand transparency in algorithms, enforce human control at all levels, create clear, enforceable international rules, introduce a new role, digital military ethics officer. A calculation error cannot justify civilian death. A war fought by machines will never be a war without consequences. If we delegate defense, we also delegate responsibility.